All right, everybody, back again. Actually, I never left, but that's another matter. Just want to do a quick update. We pretty much got all of the Indiegogo bikes out. We got our off-road throttle kits. I want to just do a quick update on what you can expect with that. We had the motor completely retuned. The performance is a lot higher, give you a few more amps, and also release the throttle faster than 20 miles an hour when you're on private property. So I just want to do a quick onboard, and then I have the GPS set up, a couple other things so we can see what kind of performance you can get. All right, what I got here is pretty much stock Scorpion. Literally just pulled it right off the line. We installed the Off-Road Throttle Upgrade controller, put a GPS on it, and a couple newer little accessories that we have. To get the speed, you can use the regular display, but in this case, we also added a phone mount. This phone mount is pretty special. We're bringing this accessory out. Basically, it gets power directly from the battery of the bike, and then you can use this mini USB port to charge your phone. And it's super durable. This is a very strong stand. We're bringing that out a little bit later. The other thing you'll probably notice is these little neoprene cable tidies. So the cables on our bikes are designed to be serviceable. That also creates a little bit messiness in the front. So we got these neoprene sleeves, and we'll be also bringing those out. And that definitely cleans up the look of the bike and also protects those cables. So I'll go ahead and turn the bike on. I charged the battery up already. You don't really need the key. So I turn on the display. So the battery's charged. It's at 58 volts, which is more or less fully charged. So in the stock configuration, you have several modes of pedal assist. So you have 0, which is no assist, eco, then it jumps to 1, 2, 3, and sport. That's the highest level in the normal configuration. You can also go into the settings. So you hold down the up assist and down assist button. You go into the setup menu, and then you go to NDW, change this number to 5, and then that will unlock the race mode. So now you have Euro, Eco, 1, 2, 3, Sport, and Race. What race mode is going to do is let you go faster than 20 miles an hour with the throttle if you have the off-road throttle controller. So enough talking. We're gonna go for a little ride, and I'll try to get some footage so we can see what's going on with the display. And before we go on a ride, we have to have a look at this kind of creepy little park here. So here it's kind of a mix between Jurassic Park and Disneyland, maybe. Yeah, so they're a little bit different around here, but I guess that's cool. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go pretty much throttle only and no pedaling. Pretty much level ground here. It's a little bit of a hill up here, and yeah, no problem achieving 26 throttle only, no pedaling. A little incline, and continue down. It's all throttle. The way the new controllers have been tuned up definitely gives you a little bit more punch, a little bit more top end speed. And then with the off-road throttle setup, then you can go you know, right around 26, 25, 26, only using the throttle. Definitely anything 25, 26, 27, 28, you're keeping up with traffic. Very usable. So that's a quick demo of the off-road throttle that we have set up. Back home, they're shooting some nice professional looking videos for doing the install. We got a lot of new stuff coming up. Yeah, so stay tuned and thank everybody. We got the Scorpions, Hyper Scorpions. Hope you're enjoying your ride. Let us know what you think.